So how do we use these jams? Well, like we said earlier, you could just create one in your whiteboard or loaded a pre-made one right here from your Google Meet. So you could start a new session and the kids, you could demo it to the kids, or you could already create it and then just present it to them by choosing from the Google Drive. You could go through, find the one you just created, open the jam, and there you go. So now it's going to have one. You don't have to spend the time of importing images, worksheets, papers, whatever you want to present. And once again, you have your tool to present it. Another way you could do it, you could create the jam, you could copy the link, and then you could put it into your Google Classroom. You could go here, you could put it in the stream. Right? I can post it for everyone. And they can click on the link and they can view it either at class time or later on to review it, right? Or you could make it an assignment, a classwork. So I could create an assignment, or I could make this a resource. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to give it instructions, and then I can just add. And remember, I said all of them saved to your Google Drive. So it'll be very easy to find if you go to Recents here at the top. And you're going to see there's my Jammy Jam. I can click on it, insert it as an assignment. I can make them a viewer and then have them answer questions in a Google Doc or something like that. I can make a copy for each student. I can make the assignment options just like usual, and then we just assign it up here at the top. All right, now this is one option. I like it because it's part of the Google ecosystem. It's built into your Google Drive, but there's a couple other whiteboard apps I like a little better, and we'll go over those very soon. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this is helpful.